a 24/7 draw weapons. You can get shot before you store weapons. Burn a blade, SI/murder rate. Sit the back, I do my spinning tracks. My team be the hardest, my strap look like a giraffe step when I walk with my bar step. Bad behavior, black Frank Fraser, yeah, smiley with the razor. Handle me, 2 months Halloween, can't handle me. Or at the magazine, no whipping pages, triple laces, institutions. I am flipping patient, I'm a G, bring information, occupation, get the baby, tell you to double faces. Real G like Lil Z, no little heat. Me and Pistol Reese in the pistol sweet. Fuck the rap shit, kick back down, crack wrist. The clip looks a madness, back deep in a hand thing.
Yeah. Wally, old type, Buck, OTP. Fella in the building, young, listen, look. After Woolly Hood, started working on my mixtape. For Chelly Daddies, look out for it, shit's great. But I dropped it out of it, cause I had to flip weight. Money wasn't counting, it was going broke. Nothing in my pocket, cause I kept taking out of it. Bunking my profit on the end, party swagger shit. But I'm dotting, bars that come naturally. I'm back to it, I'm back on my bed. Who can chat for me? 16 bars on the track, ain't enough for me to say all the shit I wanna say and get it accurate. I like spazzing with the punchline, jabbing them like an injection. You niggas catch my drift, wow. Anyway, listen, I'm back in karma. Me turning up with no accident either. I go nuts with the accent and drive up, clapping the Mac at any survivor. Are you imagining that? Read the signs, bro. Or you can meet the Reaper man when he slides up. And you can try luck, I bet it ain't helping. Nah, big ol' hole in your head than a dolphin. Pick a zone, I will step to where the zone is. I ain't on letting this kid live like Home Alone did. I got a big stick, hokey pocus. They should make another film with you, Home Alone dead. Listen to my listen. Go.
Keep going.
Cruising, cracky, ooh, I like that, and me like me, but only when I'm good is when I get him excited. I'm always in the hood, but it's hard for him to find me, real speak. I don't talk back though, I ain't a madman. Alright, a little bit, but I ain't that mad. I'm intelligent, that's a deadly combination, a deadly thing. That's like tossing grenades into every street and watching the shit blow sky high, just so you could die with my pistol. Get out there,
fuck. Phil. Yo, listen, always keep your mouth closed. Niggas from the south know all I do is count dogs. I'm not unlike Alpo. House full of white squares, igloo, South Pole. These niggas ain't fucking me. Pop champagne like a nigga won the lottery. More balls than Camelot, my swagger hot. Clip full of J's, what you mean? They bang a lot. Fuck a postcode enemy. Like my nigga Tef, I get about like the 10 of me. Show me the beat, I'ma smother it. I make ends meet like my mother did. Get it, I make ends come together. Coming like bricks, like what? Like a box of feathers. I'm on the block with cheddar, back up with cheddars. Listen, I'm on top forever.
Never. That's Butch. Look, I'm bossy when I speak. Listen closely to the G. Fuck with me, I let the things sing. Joe to see the heat. We're the coldest in the street. High rollers in the scene. But we ain't just spitters, but we're voters in our jeans. Red rum. If I'm loading the machine, lead thumb, egg gun. When I blow it at your feet. You can never ever fuck with this sound. It's Butch with the meth, with the gully is wow. I know you're loving this style. We don't work for the environmental health now, but we're shutting shit down. I had enough of these clowns that hear us to beat lyrics. Hey, look. Look, I'm bossy when I speak. Listen closely to a G. Fuck with me, I let the things sing. Joe to see the heat. We're the coldest in the street. High rollers in the scene. But we ain't just spitters, got revolvers in our jeans. Red rum. When I'm loading the machine. Lead thumb, head gun. When I blow it at your team. You can never ever fuck with this sound. It's Butch with the meth, with the gully, yes. I know you're loving this style. We don't work for the environmental health now, but we're shutting shit down. I had enough of these clowns that hear us the beef lyrics. I never back, but I put a few teeth in them. Don't ask me about the pricks if I'm beefing them. For them it's the end, for me it's just the beginning. I'm a beast with it. I'm only giving you 16, but I could get way into the beast thing. Meth. Let me get them out one more time, back it. One more time. Look, I'm not a boss, never said I was. I don't give a tuss. Why they questioning my G like I'm Ricky Ross? Like I won't rip the Glock, line it up, lick the shot. But that don't make it greasy because I'm prickle cut. You probably think it does, cuz are you thick or what? You're the type of nigga that's gonna end up with missing touch. Man, this living's not for the faint hearted. So just get your guap and don't start shit. Cause certain niggas try and get moisted up, and the boys never rise. Wrong choice of dogs. I hear the voice of God and the devil's too. That's why I straight from the mosque and shot pebble through. Man, fuck these so-called brothers who claim to be banging the shit, but I should you might sell a few. Pack your rented coupe, fall back, you talk crap, you ain't a general. I mean, you ain't half a me, G, and I'm telling you. You can talk breeze, I just show you what the finger do. You ain't got any clue, fucking little femi do. Your career's coming to an end very soon. Certain dons sound the same on every tune. Whoever's got a problem, then I can solve it with any goon. I pull the foreign out, ya, hit the side of your head and make your ears burn. Somebody was talking about ya. Listen, bitch, I'm trafficking all sorts of powders. There's some Smith, I'm tracking all sorts of hours. All them waste guys will have the families at their gravesites, visiting with all sorts of flowers. Fuck reasoning, I don't talk to cowards. They made the wrong move, they should've thought about it. Dumb rap guys, telling whack lies. Anyway, you're all shit, you attract flies.
Yo, still the top player, someone better move the goalpost. Phil was the main guy, never co-host. Shout out to my cohorts, in them cold courts, flashbacks like a blowtorch. Trying to start where I left off, but I'm a new fan, cool, I'm bringing out the best stuff. Fuck the drug game, had to rest off. I'm overweight like Prescott. Some fat geezer up in Parliament. Phil spits cold rubber, button up your cardigan. My punchlines are amazing. No wait, my punchlines are the greatest.